I found this rolling paper.
Oh, man. He said,
And I looked down at them papers like,
I'm
oh,
going to smoke with you, Dave.
that's where that poetry's coming from.
Yeah, he's a philosopher, man. Leave that man alone. What's good, everybody, man? Welcome back to Water on Marcus. You already know what time it is, man. I've been in Thailand too long since I kicked it with you. And the only way you can repeat that slogan with your boy is because you're new. If you're new, take a few seconds out, smack the subscribe button, hit the bell. That's to keep up with my latest videos. And let me give you the official welcome to the family, man. It's a pleasure to have you. Now, what I got for you today is some more subscriber request content that I'm pretty sure is awesome because my family suggested it, which means they already checked it out. They was like, yo, you know the only thing this is missing is a little sprinkle of Wild and Mark. Just boom, throw that in the poof, wow, voila. So, yeah, man, I want to check it out. You know what I'm talking about? You do? You don't? You starting to get the picture. I can tell you a fast one. You smart, I tell you. But anyway, let's get into the video, family. Y'all doing all right? Good. Let's check this out. This is Dave Chappelle finds out his son smokes weed. Then it says Netflix is a joke. I did not say that. I'm just quoting. Let's get into the video. Netflix, holla at me. I'm trying to get a special with y'all.
You know how I know I'm getting old? This is embarrassing, but I was in my hotel room.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna lie, I was jerking off, like, and I was like really sweating it out.
Wow.
And this is when I knew I was old. I just gave up in the middle, like nothing even.
Listen, Dave's stupid, bro. You gotta love this
I don't
guy.
like looking at my dick anymore. My dick looks distinguished. An old looking dick. It's got salt and pepper hair all around it.
Yo,
My dick
wait a
looks like
minute.
Morgan Freeman in the 90s.
Hey, yo, wait a minute, bro.
Without the dots.
Who did not need that description just now, bro? This dude is a
My dick
fool.
narrates. Dave pulled me out and started jerking me around and jerking me around. But not with the same vigor as when he was young. He and I both knew nothing was coming out.
Yeah. He terrible, bro. Nasty, man.
I see my age in my children.
Me too.
I came home from the road. This is not long ago. I've been gone for, if you can picture, I was gone for weeks and weeks. And when I came back, nobody was home. Now, one person in my family thought that maybe I'd like to see them when I got back. Like, they knew when I was coming back, but they just weren't home. And that shit was a wake-up call. You know, like when my kids were little and the tour bus would pull up to the house, these motherfuckers would spill out.
Hey, they ready.
Dad is home.
Yeah, it's on, baby. Yeah.
And they'd hug me and kiss me.
Yeah.
And as the years went on, they'd get less interesting. Hey, everybody, look, it's Mr. Promises back from the road.
Wow. Mr. Promises.
But empty house, that's some cold shit.
That's some coach, bro. I'm with you.
And I went into my oldest son's room. I was like, hello. He was gone. And I'd never done this to him before.
Oh,
For some reason, I just did it. I just looked through his shit. Just to see
He was bored.
what the motherfucker was becoming.
He was bored. Who is he?
I found these notebooks and I started going through the notebooks and it was all this wonderful poetry in them. Written as his handwriting. I didn't even know this nigga wrote poems.
I didn't know this nigga
And I
wrote
looked through
poems.
his drawers and I opened up his little drawer. I found this rolling paper.
Oh, man. He said,
And I looked down at them papers like, oh,
I'm going to smoke with you, Dave.
that's where that poetry's coming from.
Yeah, he's a philosopher, man. Leave that man alone.
And that shit broke my heart. I mean, I smoke weed, but I mourned my son's innocence. And I cried a little bit.
He said I mourned his
I took
innocence.
his papers upstairs to my room. Rolled some weed that I'd hid from the family.
Wow.
And I got really high. And then I got paranoid. So I put his papers back how I found them. So he wouldn't know what I was up to.
I don't want to know I've been through this. What in the world?
Nigga won't even know that happened until he sees the special.
how he feel?
I found your paper.
He's like, Papa, Wamba.
He's a cold motherfucker. Let me tell you, this kid is only 16 years old. Listen to what he did to me. This motherfucker calls me up in the middle of the night. It was 1 o'clock in the morning. He goes, Dad, don't be mad. I knew something was terribly wrong.
Oh, yeah.
I said, what's going on?
Yeah.
He said, listen, I'm fine. And don't forget, you told me to do this. I'm at a party, and my designated driver had too much to drink. And me and my friends need you to come pick us up. I said, Jesus Christ, it's 1 o'clock in the morning, nigga. I am shit-faced.
He's a great dad, man. I like this guy even more now.
And I figured, fuck, it's better me
I love you,
than
Dave.
some kid.
Right.
I might as well roll the dice and go pick my nigga up. I said, I'm coming to get you.
It's alright. It's a good parenting, man. It's the way you look at it.
And then he gave me the address, and I was shocked. I said, son, you are not going to believe this, but I'm at the same party.
Oh, man. Wow, bro. Man, yo, I love Dave, man. Come on, bro. You feel like that? We'll give him a little round of applause real quick. You at home, you at work, you in the car. Don't worry about the person looking at you, man. They missing out. They don't know what time it is. Round of applause for your boy, man. Good ain't crazy, boy. Hey, man, shout out to Dave's son, man. And shout out to your innocence, man. It's all good, man. Ain't gonna hurt you that bad, man. CBD is everywhere. It's for your joints and all the good stuff. And there's other stuff, too. I'm just saying, just be nice and take care of yourself. Kids don't do drugs, okay? Okay, but anyway, yeah, man. Y'all like that joint? I know I liked it, man. Make sure y'all thumb that joint up. Pass it along, man. Share that joint. I'll be watching the shares, man. I'm trying to tell you, boy. I like to see when y'all share. Is you sharing? You sharing? Sharing is caring, man. Depends on what it is. Okay, yeah, man. That's the worst part of the video, family. Part where I gotta go to get some more. I got more subscriber content to get into. I can't wait to sit back down with my amazing family and check it out, man. I love you guys. Be safe, and I'll see y'all soon.
Guess it's cause I'm vicious, rolling up in something new and taking all the bitches. How you get your car that tone, that shit is so prestigious. I would compliment your shit, but I would really mean it. Niggas hating on the kid, I guess it's cause I'm vicious, rolling up in something new and taking all the bitches.